this video, I want to share with you how to make some easy no-cook dough with ingredients you have around your house. We're going to use our fingers, flour, water, salt, food coloring for color, a sealed container or bag, a bowl for mixture, and lastly, spoons for mixing. This activity is good for ages between 24 to 36 months. This activity will enhance eye-hand coordination, encourage creativity, strengthen small muscles to be able to hold a pencil or use scissors for cutting. Now let's start. In a bowl, you will mix a half a cup of water, a half a cup of salt, and a cup of flour. Gradually stir the ingredients with a spoon or your fingers. If it gets too dry, you can simply add water. If it gets too sticky, you can add flour. Continue kneading it, mixing it to a desired texture. While you're doing this, you can talk to your child about what he likes to make with the dough. You can describe what you're making, describe the texture, the color. You can even make tiny dough balls and count them. You can add some color by using food coloring. Use about 5 to 10 drops of color of your choice. In this example, we will use the color green. But be careful, this process can get a little messy and may stain your hands. You may want to use some gloves or a spoon to continue mixing in the color. Once you're done playing with the dough, you can keep it from drying. Place the dough in a bag or a sealed container and store it in the refrigerator to last longer. The dough will only last up to 4 weeks because of the ingredients. A safety reminder. Homemade recipes for dough are safe. However, please remind your child it's not for eating.